Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Helpline. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Belk credit card account. Watch the video till the end to know how you can log into your Belk credit card account. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe it and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, let's get back to the video. So, in order to log into your Belk credit card account, open your Google search, type in Belk credit card login and make a search. Among the results displayed, click on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the sign-in page of Belk. To log in or access your Belk account, enter your user ID and password associated with the account. Check your password by clicking on Show option to confirm that your password is correctly entered. You can tick mark on Remember User ID if you want to be signed in to your Belk account and finally tap on Secure Login. This is how you can log into your Belk credit card's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.